Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video we will show you beautiful peanut shell craft ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is viewers friend. Viewers, pistachio craft ideas means pistachio come in many shapes and sizes. After painting them in birds and pastel colors, they can be used to make beautiful flower, butterfly, greeting card and picture frame. You can also create colorful wall art by arranging the shell into creative pattern. Add glitter beads or small pearl to make your portrait shine. Decorate photo frame, mirror, pencil holder and small box with paint pistachio. This handmade item also make thoughtful gifts for family and friends. For holiday decoration, paint the shell in a festive color and create ornaments, walls or table centerpiece. They are simple to make and look beautiful anyhow. Making pistachio crafts is a great way to spend quality time with the children. It encourages creativity, improve the fine motor skill and turn ordinary material into something special. And friends, my next idea is weavers. We hope this pistachio crafts ideas inspire your next project. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more creative crafts ideas. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, so friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take